So let us discuss the second question. I mean, second type. Akif joined because he is the one who asked this question about
Sir,
addition and
Sanjay
subtraction
sir.
of integers.
Yes, sir.
Akif, are you there? Yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
Right. Yes. Okay. Now let's discuss another type of integer, that is two negative integers addition. Okay. We'll see the example like this. Okay. So for example, let's see, this is minus 4. Okay. Minus 4 plus, next we are adding minus 2. So minus 4 and minus 2, what we are doing? We are adding it. What we are doing? We are adding it. So how to do? How to do this addition? First, if you wanted to perform any operations on any operation on integers, what is the most important thing? It's better you try to write that given integers in the integers format. Okay, the
Format.
normal numbers you convert into the integers format. So let me
Integer format.
write the integers format. Please mute all of you. So let me write in the integers format. What is the integers format? Integers format means for a number, if there is a sign, you keep the same sign. If there is no sign, then you add plus. Okay. So look at the first number. The first number is minus 4. It means that this number is having a sign. So you don't need to keep the sign. What you need to keep is simply keep the bracket. So bracket and minus 4 you write. Next, what is there? That is plus. Write plus as it is. Next, what? It is minus 2. What do you mean by minus 2? That means it is a negative integer. It is a number with a sign. The number is also having and the sign is also having. So what we need, what is the left part? The brackets we need to keep. So now you keep minus 2 and then you keep the bracket. So look at the two numbers. What type of number this is?
Sir,
This is a
sir,
negative integer. This is
sir,
a negative integer.
network problem. That's why I joined late.
And this is also a negative integer. So a negative integer and the negative integer. So how to add two negative integers? How to add two negative integers? So to understand this, okay, let me take a small example. Okay, this is just for a reference to understand how to do the addition of the two negative integers. So I told you already what plus means sugar, minus means salt, minus means salt. So
Salt.
now minus 4 means what? Minus 4 means 4 spoons salt.
Four.
4 spoons salt. Minus 2 means what? It means 2 spoons
Two
salt.
spoons.
Now there is a bottle, I mean there is a glass. In that glass there is a water. So now what is the meaning of this one? Addition. So first I poured 4 spoons of salt into this water. Next I poured 2 spoons of salt into the water. Now the sweet of the taste of the water will become what, Nana? Is it salty or is it sugary? It's not the salt, it's not the sweet at all. Why? Because you are adding 4. It is, see, normal water. Think it is a normal water. In normal water I added 4 spoons of salt and 2 spoons of salt, so totally I added 6 spoons of salt. The whole solution will become salty. It will become salty. That means
Salt.
what? It will
Salt.
become more salty. Okay, 4 spoons of salt, 2 spoons of salt, it will become, see, with 4 spoons only it will become salt, and again with the 2 spoons salt it will become even more salt. Okay, so totally this solution will become what? The solution will become salty.
Sir,
Okay,
board is very blur.
salty means, remember, salty means minus. That means the value will become what? Minus. That result will become minus. The answer will come in minus. That's what the meaning of salty here. Salty means what?
Sir,
The
board
whole
is very
solution,
blur.
the result will become salty. The result will become negative. Board is blur, huh? Just a
Sir,
second.
it is clear on.
Yes, sir.
It is clear, Nana. It is clear. It will become clear just once you rejoin our otherwise. Okay. Right. So it will become, the result will become negative. Result will become negative. What is the meaning of that? That means whenever we add two negative integers, whenever we are adding two negative integers, your answer is negative only. Your answer is negative. Okay. So now coming to the operations, coming to mathematical part, this is the general way of understanding the result, what is going to become. Okay, now here what I told you, next you have to forget the sign. That means close these signs. When you close the signs, this and this, which is the bigger number? The 4 is the bigger number, right? 4.
For
Next
the
number is what? 2. After writing this, you write this one. Next, you write the signs. What is the sign of 4? Minus. What is the sign of 2? Minus. Sign means always check for the preceding or left side symbol. So now both are what, Nana? Both are minus. That means what? Both are same sign, no? Whenever same sign will come, whenever same sign will come, what we should do? Always do addition. Whenever same sign will
addition.
come, what we should do? We should do addition. Even we do, hey, even we do not, even we have two negatives, even we have two negatives, what we need to do? You need to do addition only. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Ah, okay, now you got the result. But what is the sign of this one? What is the sign of this one? The bigger number sign we should keep. What is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger number. Don't think, hey, ignore the signs and I'll remove from the classrooms, Nana. Some members. Okay, minus and minus, so we should do plus. So bigger number sign is what? 4. 4 sign is what? Minus, so it will become minus. So therefore what is the meaning of this one? Minus 4 plus minus 2 is equals to minus 6. That is the answer. This is how when you add two negative integers, you will get a negative result. Okay, hope you understood. Akif and all the members who are having a doubt on this one, please note down and keep it in the
Sir,
classroom.
sir, I has a doubt, sir.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, plus, sir.
Sir, my doubt is, sir, we got the answer as minus 6, sir.
Who is this one? Why you people are shouting each other? Huh? Hamsini? Ah, yes, Nana. Tell me.
Sir, if we got the answer as minus 6, no, sir. For
Hmm.
minus 6, no need of integers format.
Minus 6 is already in integer format.
Sir, there are no bad brackets, no, sir.
Ah, you keep bracket. No problem.
Sir, we can keep.
Yes, see brackets. Okay, brackets doesn't make any difference, but it is the best way to write the numbers. Okay, if you keep
Okay,
the
sir.
bracket, that's not the. If everyone disturbed is coming. Okay, please keep this screenshot in the classroom also.
Sir,
So
can you
this is
off the
how.
video and on the video?
Sure.
Sir, 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 sir.
No need of saying. Write in chart. If you wanted to say something, write in
Okay.
chart only. Ah, Anvit, are you present? Anvit, are you there? If you are there, please take the attendance and give the number of people present. Hello, don't talk, Nana. Write in chart.
Sir. Oh,
Next time, if anyone will open the mouth, I will remove from the class. You have to write everything in chart only. So this is how we can add the two negative integers. Okay, whenever we have same sign here, same sign means minus minus plus plus, then we should do addition. If we have different sign, then we should do the subtraction. That's all. Different signs means subtraction, same sign means addition. Okay. So I think I can clear the board now.
Yes, sir. Sir, I kept in screen. Sir, I kept screenshot in classroom. Sir,
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Mute.
Sir,
Satvika.
completed.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. So next we'll think about one positive integer and one negative integer. We'll discuss another type of integers addition. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. We'll discuss the third type of question. Here, there is a positive number 4 plus minus 3. So 4 and plus minus 3. So how to do this question? Next, there is another type, fourth type, minus 6 plus, okay, plus 4 or plus 5 will take up. Okay. Or else shall I take the different way? Minus 4. Okay, let it be. Different we should need it. Okay. Now, this is a number we are adding to another number. Okay. So addition only. But what I told you, if you wanted to add two integers, it's better and better you write the numbers in the integers format. So what is the integers format? Integers format means write the number as well as its sign with the bracket. So now I am writing the integers format. So 4, what is the sign of 4? If there is no sign to a number, it means that
Positive.
treat that as a plus. So 4 is nothing but plus 4, and next you keep the brackets. Next we have plus, so write plus as it is. Next what? We have minus 3. Of course it is already in the integers format, but what is missing is just a bracket. Just write minus 3. Okay, so now 4 is what kind of integer? It's a positive integer. It's a positive integer. Next, minus 3 is what type of integer? It's a negative integer. It's a negative integer. Now, one positive integer, a positive integer is added to a negative integer. A positive integer is added to a negative integer. So, how it's going to happen? The result is going to happen in what way? Okay, so we'll take up another example. So, what way? What generally we'll do? Okay, we'll take up the bigger number first. First, ignore the signs. That means close this signs. Now, if you close this sign, which is a bigger number? 4 is of course a very big number. Big number. And next we have 3. And next you leave some space over here for writing the addition or subtraction. Next you write the signs of, what is the sign of 4? It is plus. What is the sign of 3? It is minus. So what kind of signs these are? These are same signs. The signs are different. Once the signs are, mute. I told no. If you want to say something, write in chat. If the signs are different, then what we should do? We should do the subtraction. What we should do? We should do subtraction, because it is a confusion whether to do addition or subtraction, because we have plus as well as we have minus. So it is a confusion. So what is the technique? If both are, if the two signs are different, then we should do subtraction. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, we got the result, but what about the sign? The sign, we should always take the bigger number sign. What is a bigger number? 4 is a bigger number. So 4 sign is plus, therefore you keep plus. So it will become plus 1. Okay, now plus 4 plus minus 3 is equals to plus 1. That is the answer. Okay, next
This one.
here, if you look at this one, if you wanted to understand this one, okay, why we got the positive result? Okay, so why we need to do the, why we got the positive result? Plus 1 is nothing but 1 only, Nana. Plus 1 is nothing but 1 only. Now, why we got a positive result is a question for us, and now we'll clarify, we'll solve that question. Okay, see, 4 means what, Nana? Plus 4 means what? 4 means plus 4 only, no? What do you mean by plus 4? Plus 4 means 4 spoons salt. So there is a water in the glass. This is a glass of water, normal water. I added 4 spoons of sugar. Why sugar? Because plus 4 is nothing but sugar. 4 spoons sugar I added to the solution, water. Next, what I added? Minus 3. What do you mean by minus 3? That means 3 spoons of sugar, salt. 3 spoons of salt. 3
3
spoons of,
spoons of salt.
now sugar quantity is more or salt quantity is more? See, 4 spoons we have sugar,
Sugar.
3 spoons we have salt. So obviously we have a more sugar solution. So it will become some sweetie only. The result of solution. The result of solution will become sweet or sugary. So it will become, the solution will become sugary, or else we can say sweet. So sweet means what? Plus or minus? Plus. So result will become, that means the result will become positive. That means whenever we are adding a positive integer and negative integer, whenever we are adding positive integer and negative integer, what happens is, which is more? Which integer is more? Positive integer is more or negative integer more? Here we have more positives. 4 positives are there, 3 negatives are there. So positives are more, therefore your answer is also become more. More means, sorry, your positives are more, therefore your answer is also positive. For example, let us see the second type. Okay, what is the second type? Minus 6. Minus 6 means what? 6 spoons of salt, 5 spoons of sugar. 5 means plus 5. So now the solution will become what? See, more minuses are there. That means more salt is there. So it will become salty. Okay, please take down this answer first. Next we'll discuss the fourth type.
So it's
Please
blood,
note down
sir.
this fourth.
Where did that sir get it? Sir, tell anyone to keep the classroom film.
All
Sir,
of
shall
you
I keep
mute
in
first.
classroom?
Yes, please keep. Don't talk
Sir,
much.
for 6 weeks.
Sir,
This is the very simple and a proper way of understanding the addition of integers. Okay. So we have a class from 10:30 to 11:30. So we will continuously discuss the same thing. The question paper is very simple, very easy. So no need of worrying anything. Okay, you have a smooth, but my request is, whoever is writing, okay, have writing with one pen, I don't wanted to do that. I don't wanted to allow that. Please write your question paper or notes, anything, with 2 pens, and keep one color pen also with you. Color pen means not
The
shiny
question
pen.
also we
Okay,
have to
color
write in
pens.
paper.
It is better. See, no need of writing. If it is a long question, no need of writing the question, because it will take more time. But if it is a short question, if it is small, then you can write that too with the black pen, and please compulsory mention which section and which question number. A question or answer with question number will not be considered as an answer. I will simply not award any marks for that. I will award 0 marks to it. Okay.
Sir,
The answer should be
Yes.
right in blue pen.
See. Yes. uh, uh, no problem.
yes,
That is
sir.
no
It will
problem.
change when we can.
Okay,
Sir,
okay, Nana. That
sir,
see here also
sir,
I
we
am
should write
using blue.
questions also. Big. Sir, we should
Big
write big questions
questions, no
also.
need of writing. See, actually, question writing is not compulsory, not at all compulsory. But for small questions are there, no? Because what happens is you people will not see. You will write something and you will forget in the middle. So therefore, if you start writing the question, if it is a small, you can write. If it is a very lengthy, you don't write it. I don't want it to write you that. But if it is a small question, you write the question so that you will get a good understanding, good frame of thinking to solve that answer. Okay. So
Okay.
always see too, it's not important that you need to solve the answer. It's also important to understand the question and answer it. Okay. So in that way it should happen. Right. So next, shall I go for the next question? Next type. Can I rub this?
Sir, say them to keep in classroom, sir. It is
See this
about.
one, classroom. Hey,
Sir, I kept
Sahil,
in class.
lot of disturbance is coming from your side.
Sir.
Okay. Yes,
So
Nana.
margins
Can you
can we draw with sketches?
Compulsory. Yes, margins you can draw with sketches.
sir, can
Okay,
you
where
tell
points
where to use?
or wherever we have okay, what we can say important point. Anywhere something is important you feel, then you can highlight with the color. So your paper looks so beautiful.
Sir, I'm using highlight.
See, highlighter also you can use. Okay, now next move, discuss this
Sir,
kind this
answers can
question.
we
So
highlight
here
to
it
better
is another
understand?
question, not total answer but only the part of answer you can highlight it. -6 plus 5. So here what we need to write to solve this problem, we need to write this in integers format. Integers format will write. So integers format, I am not writing integers format, I am simply writing if means what, sign and number and bracket. So -6 you write, plus this is operator, that is operator. Now what is the sign of 5? If there is no sign, see 5 means here you can, this is operator, Nana, please remember this is operator. So indirectly there is no sign only. Okay. So if it is the sign of this one, then what we should do? So this is not a sign, this is the operator. So you write this operator like operator only. Now what is the sign of 5? No sign. No sign means you keep plus. So it is plus 5. Now this is a negative integer. It's a negative integer. Next, this is a positive integer. This is a positive integer. So one negative integer, one positive integer. So how to do this one? Okay, very simple. What we need to do, just close this signs. If you close this signs, 6 is a bigger number, you write the bigger number first. Next, 5 is the smaller number, you write 5 next. After that you leave some space and then you draw these lines. The sign of 6 we should write. Next we should write the signs. What is the sign of 6? Minus. What is the sign of 5? It is plus. So one number is plus and one number is minus, or else the signs are different. If they are different, then we should do difference. If the signs are different, different signs mean we should do difference. Difference means what? Minus. So it will become minus. We should do what? Minus. So no confusion. Minus plus, what we should do? Minus we should do. Two different signs, what we should do? Minus. So 6 minus 5. See, always write the top number as a bigger number so that it will be easy for subtraction. Okay. Addition, of course, it doesn't matter the order. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, next, the bigger number sign. One we got, result we got, but what about the sign of the result? The sign of the result is always a bigger number sign. The bigger number is 6. The 6 sign is minus, therefore it will become minus. To understand why it happened negative, why the result is happened negative, then we'll take up the example of water solution, water in a glass.
Water.
So there is a small plain water, normal water in a glass. Now we'll understand this one. Hey, mute. Sasvika, mute Nana. What is that sound? Huh? So there is a normal water. Now in this normal water, first, what is the meaning of minus 6? Minus 6 means 6 spoons salt, Nana. 6 spoons salt. Hey, mute. No need of saying the certification. Plus 5 means what? 5 spoons sugar. 5 spoons sugar. Now, salt, we have 6 spoons. Sugar, we have 5 spoons only. So, 1 spoon is less only. So, overall, the result will become, the solution will become what? It will become some salty only because more salt is there, no? It will become some salty only. Salty is nothing but, hello, sir. Sir, please mute. Salty. Salty means what? The result will become negative. What is the meaning of this? The result will become negative. So that is the reason why we got the result as negative. Okay. So this is how we can understand the addition of integers. I hope you understood the addition of integers clearly.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay. Yes, you can.
Sir, how can we do minus 7
Okay. So minus 7 plus 7.
Sir, sir, not plus, sir, minus.
Minus 7, huh? I told you already.
Minus
7 spoons
7,
of salt.
minus,
Minus 7.
minus 7, minus plus
Ah.
7.
Next I will tell you that one. Subtraction I will tell you. Next subtraction I will tell you. After this I will tell you subtraction.
Sir, that will be positive, no, sir?
Yes, Nana. Minus 7 plus minus 7.
Minus
It will become
7
minus
minus
14.
plus 7.
Hey, I will tell you. Wait, Nana. Mute. Mute. I will tell you why. See, don't say answers. Understand the process. After understanding the process, you give the answer. Don't give your air answers. What will come into mind? What will come into your mouth? Don't give that answers. And if it is happy, oh, I am great. If it is not happy, oh, I am not happy. Not like that. Okay. If you know the process, then you can, you can argue with the answer also. Okay. What is important thing is you need to understand the process. So I think I can rub this. Can I, Sasvika?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Type in chat. Please keep this in the
Yes, sir.
classroom. Next, we'll discuss the subtraction of integers. See, the process need to be imprinted in your mind. The process, the explanation of the teacher.
Minus plus 7
Hey, mute Abhinav. Abhinav, next time I will remove you from the classroom. Okay, next, subtraction of integer. Actually, subtraction is very simple. But the concept of subtraction of integers is depending on additive inverse. Subtraction of integers. First, you understand that's only single operation.
Sir, your voice is low.
Single operation.
Sir, Bluetooth connection lost.
Sir, your voice is low.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Mute, hey. Mute.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Mute. So we'll discuss the subtraction of integers.
Sir,
Don't
we can't
discuss.
hear you.
Stop the discussion. Stop the discussion. Okay. So first you need to understand what is subtraction. See, if you look at mathematics, any bigger level of mathematics, The simple things is addition and subtraction. That's all. Okay, it can be any large part of mathematics. In that, what is mostly involved is either it is addition or it is subtraction. So I can say, if you are excellent with the addition and subtraction, and if you are well versed with the addition and subtraction, then I think you are much more ahead of, I mean, you are fine to tune yourself to learn to mathematics at any level. So that is the beauty of this mathematics, and that is the core of mathematics. So whole mathematics is simply addition and subtraction, but from this addition and subtraction only many more operations, many more things have been derived. Okay, so if you look at the multiplication, it is simply the continuous addition. If you look at the division, it is a continuous subtraction of the same number. So but we made it comfort. Okay, we made this addition and subtraction into many divisions, and we developed the mathematics into many levels. So but it's all simple addition and subtraction. Even I say, see, if you understand the subtraction, then you will say even subtraction is also an addition. Okay, so we'll see what is this subtraction. See, subtraction means, remember, subtraction, the definition of subtraction is this one. Don't talk. Subtraction means, what is the meaning of subtraction? You know, adding additive inverse. That's all. Adding means plus, adding additive inverse. This is the definition of subtraction. If you say this definition to anyone, okay, then they will be really, you know, felt so happy for your great understanding of subtraction. Subtraction means, is what is subtraction? Simply removing. Okay, removing only, but mathematically, okay, subtraction means it is a new, I mean, it is a beauty, I mean, it is another way of this one. What is the subtraction? As per, I mean, not for integers, generally, this is another way of understanding the subtraction. Subtraction means what? Adding additive inverse. Adding additive inverse is called subtraction. That's all subtraction means. So what do you mean by this additive inverse? Additive inverse is very simple. Additive inverse is very simple. What do you mean by additive inverse? I'll tell you the clear picture first, then you can make it simple. Additive inverse means, for example, 3 nana. There is a number 3. Additive inverse means you add whatever the number to this. You add whatever the number, but my result should be 0. So what number I should add? For 3, you add any number, but my result should be 0. So what is the additive inverse of this number? The additive inverse of this number. Okay, so for 3, when will you get 0? Whenever you add -3, then only it will become 0. Therefore, the 3 additive inverse or plus 3 additive inverse is -3.
-3.
Okay, let's see another example. Next, we'll take up another example, -3. You take -3 and you add any number. You add any number, but my result should be 0. That's what the meaning of additive inverse. Additive inverse means, so for -3, what number I should add? Whenever you add +3, then only the answer will become 0. This is means very simple, Nana. It means very simple. There is a glass of water here. There is a glass of water. We have to make neutral solution. How to make neutral solution? See, for example, there is a water. +3 means I added 3 spoons of salt. 3 spoons of salt. Sorry, 3 spoons of +3 means what, Nana? 3 spoons sugar. 3 spoons sugar I added. Now, how to make this neutral? How to make this 0 solution? How to make 0 solution? That means for 3 spoons sugar, if you add 3 spoons salt, what it will become? It will become neutral. 3 spoons salt. That means for +3, we add -3, then it will become 0. So now, if for example, -3, what you need to add? You need to add +3, therefore it will become 0. Now you tell me, for example, there is a -100. For -100, that means what? 100 spoons of, there is a glass of water, in that 100 spoons of salt is there. Now what I should add to make this solution as neutral? It means we need to add +100, and this +100 is called what? The additive inverse of -100. That's what the additive inverse is. Okay, so it is nothing great concept, none of additive inverse means it's all general topics only, but we will convert the general topics will convert into maths numbers, and that will become mathematics. Okay, but it's uh, all are that contents only. Okay, let's see now this one. Okay, I hope you understood the explanation of this one. So what is the meaning of this one? So plus 3 additive inverse is what? Now you write plus 3 additive inverse is what? The additive inverse of plus 3 is what? It's a minus 3.
Minus 3.
So that means what? For 3 spoons, it's very, very simple. For 3 spoons of sugar, what is the opposite of 3 spoons of sugar? So it will automatically become 3 spoons of salt. So minus 3. So plus 3 additive inverse is what? Minus 3. Now minus 3 additive inverse is what? Obviously plus 3. That means for 3 spoons of salt, for 3 spoons of salt, what is the opposite? I mean, what is the, how it will become neutral solution? It will become when you add plus 3. That means 3 spoons of salt, sugar. Okay, so this is how we can so now I hope you understood what do you mean by. Now can you tell me what is the additive inverse of x? That means minus x. What is the additive inverse of minus x? That is plus x. Okay, simply this will be same, quantity will be same, only sign will be different. Here 3 spoons, here also 3 spoons, but here 3 spoons salt, here 3 spoons sugar, here 3 spoons sugar, 3 spoons salt, 100 spoons salt, 100 spoons sugar. That's all, nothing else. Great, that is called additive inverse. Okay, now we'll come to the question, right? Okay, right, we'll discuss a small program, I mean small question. Now write down one question here. Okay, so 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, very simple question. Okay, we'll start with the very simple question. 3 minus 2. So first, even for addition or subtraction, what is the basic thing? We need to write the numbers in the integers format. Let me write the numbers in the integers format. Okay, so I will write in the integer format. What is the integer format, Nana? Integer format means writing the number with the signs as well as brackets. So now what is the sign of 3? There is no sign, so you can keep that as plus 3, and next you keep bracket minus, that is operator. What is the sign of 2? The sign of 2 is actually not minus. Minus is operator. So sign of 2 sign not given. So therefore it is plus 2. Okay. So plus 3 minus plus 2. Okay. Now this is what type of integer? Okay. This is what type of integer?
Positive integer, sir.
And this is a positive integer. So
Positive
positive integer subtract from another positive integer. So here no need of doing the bigger thing. What we said, this is what, Nana? This is minus. Minus means what? Subtraction. Minus means what? Subtraction. What do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means minus, adding additive inverse. Subtraction means what, Nana? Adding
Adding
additive inverse. Adding, no, I am just explaining the process. Adding additive inverse. Now okay, so you write this number fix, plus 3 you have to write as it is only. Minus will come here. Minus means what, Nana? Subtraction. Subtraction means what? Adding. Adding means what? Plus. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of what? Additive inverse of plus 2. So plus 2 additive inverse is what? What is the additive inverse of plus 2? Simply minus 2. So if you observe here clearly, what happened is this minus, whenever we have subtraction, please remember this we should do. Whenever we have subtraction, then only we should do this one. So whenever we have subtraction, okay, if it is minus, then we should convert into plus. If it is this plus and you just make it to minus. So what happened? Signs exchanged. Signs not exchanged. Signs changed. Okay. So but don't understand like this. You understand the complete definition. Subtraction means adding additive inverse of right plus 2. Additive inverse of plus 2. So adding means what? Plus. Adding means plus. Additive inverse of plus 2 is what? Minus 2. Now you can't do this one. Again it became addition only. Again it became addition. So now, so here plus 3, this is positive integer and negative integer. So write the, close the signs. If you close the sign, 3 is a bigger number, write 3. Next to 2 is a smaller number, write 2. Next you write this one, the sign of 3. Okay, sign of 3 is plus, sign of 2 is minus. So one positive, one negative, different signs. Therefore we should do difference, different signs. So difference means what? Minus. So we should do minus. So 3 minus 2 is 1. But here bigger number is what? 3. 3 sign is what? Plus. So your answer is plus 1. So what is the meaning of 3 minus 2? Therefore plus 3 minus plus 2 is equals to what, Nana? Plus 1. Or else generally see 3 minus 2 is also 1, no? Plus 1 is nothing but 1 only, no? So this is how we can do the addition of integers, subtraction of integers. I hope you clearly understood the whole concept of subtraction. I mean,
Yes, sir.
one positive integer subtracted from other positive integer.
Yes, sir. We understood. Yes,
But
sir.
so many times I explained, but and every time I am explaining with one different method. I mean different method in the sense the same explanation I am explaining in another way. I hope you are enjoying this, aren't you? No,
Yes, sir.
but that's what, see the it's not important that you are understanding or not understanding, but you should enjoy the class. Okay,
Okay, sir. Sir, we completed,
that
sir, this
enjoy
one.
will come only when you understand, of course. Yeah. See, for me, maths is not maths. For me, maths is not maths. Maths means Telugu, maths means English, maths means Hindi, maths means science, maths means social, maths means everything. Okay.
World.
And for me, science is also not science. Science is also maths. See, it is. See, now there is no. All are same only, Nana. We will discuss. Yes, sir. You remembered the dialogue? Huh? You remembered my dialogue. I
Sir,
told
we
you.
got
That is I
this.
created only.
Sir, this max topic we got in science also, sir.
Because science wants to marry maths.
Sir, decameter, centimeter.
Yes. Okay. So shall I rub this now? Akif, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akif, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm clear
Okay,
with it.
okay, okay.
I'm clear with it.
Okay,
So
fully?
tell anyone to keep in classroom, so in 6th B. Anyone are not keeping, I'm not getting it.
Mokshita, did you understand, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sahil,
thank
keep
you.
all screenshot.
Yeah.
Sir, I kept a screenshot.
Thank you. Which class? Did you keep A and B both?
Sir, I kept it.
I kept
Okay, A and B, Captain A,
BB.
Captain B. Okay. A also kept, no? Right. Next,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
discuss another one. Arjun, thank you, Nana. Next, we'll discuss another type of integer. So see, additive inverse is a beautiful concept. See, if you remember like plus 3, okay, what is the additive inverse of plus 3 means minus 3 means, you will understand, okay, you will remember. It's not actually understanding. So but if I say for 3 spoons of salt, how can you make the solution neutral? So that means it is such an interesting explanation, right? I like to bring the or connect the maths with other subjects. There is always a connection, but only the thing is we need to explore it that. Okay, right. Next we'll take up the second one. Okay. Next we'll discuss one positive, two negatives, how to subtract. Okay, two negatives. Let's see, -4 minus 3. Okay, first what is this? What is this one? -4 subtracting -3. How? First, what we need to write? We need to write in the integers format. Let me write the numbers in the integer format. See, I have seen many children still struggling to do the addition and subtraction of integers in the 10th standard. Don't think that 6th or next 7th or 8th. They still struggled in the 10th standard because of lack of understanding of this one in the 6th and 7th standard. They are going to, trouble in the higher classes. So that is not good. Okay, so you need to understand here clearly. So if I pass it 10th, Nana. Okay, right. So -4 minus 3. No, I am saying that I have seen the students. Okay, now I am not, but earlier I used it to. Okay, now, okay, that's the other discussion, but -4 minus of -3. Okay, we'll see this one. First, what we need to write, you need to write the integer format. Integer format means number, next sign, next bracket. Completed. Next minus, that is an operator. Next number, sign and bracket. So done. This is a negative integer. This is subtraction. What is this one? Subtraction. So whenever subtraction will come, the definition we need to blink in your definition need to be pop up in our mind. What is the definition of subtraction? Adding additive inverse of adding additive inverse. Additive inverse here what? Additive inverse of what? Adding additive, sorry, additive inverse spelling I wrote wrong. Additive inverse of -3. Now what is the additive inverse of -3, Nana? What is the additive inverse of -3? +3. What is the additive inverse of -3? That is +3. Okay, now you write the -4 as it is. -4 you write as it is. Okay, minus. Subtraction means what? Minus. Minus means what? Adding. Adding means what? Plus. Adding additive inverse of -3. What is the additive inverse of -3? It is +3. So write +3. Now can't you do this -4 plus +3? Again it is addition only. So you can do addition very simply. What? How? Write the bigger. Close the signs. If you close the sign, 4 is the bigger number, 3 is the smaller number. And next, the sign of 4 is minus, the sign of 3 is plus. One number is minus, one number is plus. There are different signs. If they are different, signs are different, then what we should do? We should do difference. That means minus we should do. So 4 minus 3 is 1. A bigger number is what? 4. 4 sign is what? Minus. So we need to, here we got simply result, but not the sign. So how to get the sign? The bigger number we should keep. Bigger number sign we should keep. Bigger number is what? Minus. Why we are keeping bigger number sign? Because here minus means 4 salt, 4 spoons salt, 3 spoons sugar. So salt is more or sugar is more? Obviously salt is more. Therefore result will become salty. That means solution will become salty. That means result will become negative. So therefore -4 minus of -3 is equals to what? Is equals to -1. So I hope you understood. See, now the question is, whenever we subtract a negative integer from negative integer, you may get positive, you may get negative also. Okay, so let's see another example here. Another example. Here we got negative, no? Let's see. It depends on the bigger number. Always it depends on bigger number. Okay, next -6 minus 3 or -2. Okay,
We can't see, sir. Sir, can you repeat the question?
minus 8 will keep. Okay, minus 6 minus of minus 8. Okay, now how to do this one?
Sir,
I'm
can
doing
you
little
repeat the
faster.
question?
Minus 6 minus of minus 8, Nana. Now I'm writing the integer format. Okay, right. Next what? This is subtraction. Subtraction means what? Subtraction means what? Adding additive inverse. Adding additive inverse of minus 8. Adding additive inverse of minus 8. Minus 8 additive inverse is what? Plus 8. So plus 8 we need to add here. Now minus 6 you write minus 6 only. Adding means plus additive inverse of minus 8. Additive inverse of minus 8 is what, Nana? Plus 8. Okay. Now again
Plus 8.
positive came. Now you understood, Yashishwar. So minus 6 and plus 8. Now bigger number you write first. Bigger number is 8. Next number 6. Now you write this one. What is the sign of 8? Plus. What is the sign of 6? Minus. So two different signs. There are different signs. So we should do minus. Should do minus. 8 minus 6 is 2.
Minus.
Now bigger number sign is plus.
Plus
So therefore what is the answer we got? Here we got plus. Therefore
Plus.
minus 6 minus of minus 8 minus 6 minus of minus 8 is equal to what? Plus 2. I hope you understood. Okay. So this answer is what? Plus 2. Here we got minus answer. So see, you can't say here answer is positive or negative. When you will say, whenever you
Depends on
do
bigger number.
here, it depends on. Okay, that means whenever you come to this step, you can say. Whenever you come to this step, you can say. See, now you can say. Here, negatives are more, positives are. Positives more. Therefore, answer is positive. Now here, negatives are more or positives are more.
Positive.
Negatives are more. Therefore, result is negative. So in subtraction, you simply can't decide it. You make that subtraction into additive inverse, because subtraction means adding additive inverse. Then your result will, I mean, predicting the result is easy. Okay. So we have done our best part of important points. Okay. I have given, see, don't read your textbook at all. What you read is recently what are the things I have explained in the revision classes. Okay. Now today classes, what are the things I have explained to you? You please focus on that only, mostly, because that covers the entire topics. Okay, that covers the entire
Sir, no
topic.
need to do practice
So you
questions
will,
also in textbook.
you can
Okay,
do
sir. Bye,
practice
sir.
without practice. 11:30 completed, still 4 minutes is there, sir.
Yes, sir. Still 4 minutes.
Sir, if you know, I will take this screenshot.
Sir, we took a shot.
Okay, you take a screenshot and keep it in the classroom, right? And
Sir, I kept in classroom.
any kind of
Sir, your Bluetooth mic. Bluetooth mic.
Sir, your video is off.
Sir, your video is off.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your audio is stuck.
just a second, just a second.
Sir,
Sir, your Bluetooth connection lost.
can
Sir.
you move?
Sir,
Sir,
please, can you
Sir,
move?
voice is very slow.
Sir,
Sir, it became blurry, sir. Please, can you move?
Hero Honda store.
sir, board is blurred.
Yes, sir. If I
This
make
timer,
it will be clear.
Sir, say anybody to
Something is
keep
coming.
in classroom, sir.
Yes, sir.
anybody have?
Sir,
Sir, I kept in classroom. Sir, you're saying anybody have that?
Okay, Nana, okay. So
Sir,
that's
in
all
that
for today.
exam, we have to draw margins with